Hey YouTube, this is David here. I'm just doing an unpackaging of the newer syma X5c-1, the drone, the quadcopter. Now I got this from Amazon. The shipping was about 3 weeks, so it was kind of a long wait, but it finally has arrived. So let's go ahead and open this package. As packaging goes, it's not too packaged up, but I guess it makes it easier to open. Let me just get the new blade out. Okay. So this is the package that it comes in, the X5c-1. So it's the upgraded version, as you can see right here. It doesn't seem like there's too many defaults on the package. Got a nice handle. Here's the back of it. So let's get into details. Let's open it up and see what we have. The reason I purchased this is because of the pricing. It was around $57 on Amazon, and I wanted a quadcopter that had some kind of camera. This is my second quadcopter. The one beforehand, it was a Hubsan X4, and I still have that, but I thought I'd get something a little bit bigger, and obviously something that had a camera and that was user-friendly. So this is the packaging. Got the micro USB 2.0 with the SIM card. Let's open this up. It gave me 3 batteries and obviously the micro SD reader and the SD card, which is right here. A 4 GB SD card from SanDisk. So far everything looks nice. Yeah. Here's the control. It's pretty light. It seems kind of a cheaper quality as in control, but I can't complain too much for the price that I got it for. Comes with the protectors from the analog sticks. Now I'm going to need batteries for this. I'm not quite sure if it comes with them or not. We will find out. So I'll set that aside. Comes with a screwdriver, obviously to take off the screw on the back part of the control. It also comes with this, let's see, this charger for the device itself. And you can probably connect it to any port. Let's see, with my Mac, seems like it fits and it works perfectly, but I guess only time can tell if it charges the batteries. So let's take this apart. I gotta take the back here. In the back it comes with some spare blades. Comes in a package of 4 extra blades. So I'm just gonna open the tie knot right here. Seems like there's another one. Oops. these are the blade protectors that it comes with. It comes in 4. I guess it depends on if you want to risk ruining your blades. I mean, you should be fine if you know how to fly a quadcopter though. Okay. You can see that the 0.4G is kind of already fading off. It seems like with the tape that they put on it already took some paint off. But it is pretty light. But like I said, it's very I don't know if I like the quality, but I mean, for the price I can't really complain. It's pretty sturdy for the most part. It's got the camera, and then where you can put the SD card in. So it seems like this can detach, and it's got an extra battery in there already, so it comes with a total of 4 batteries. Let's see here. These go right under the blade itself. There's 3 holes and it pops right in. Let's see here. And then there's a screw that you could tighten it with. Obviously the screwdriver. Okay you guys, so what I did is now, to save video time, I put the blades on, and now I also added a charged battery, and I put batteries in the control. So now let's turn this on. You can see there's bright flashy lights for night flying as well. Okay. Alright. So the flight control is very easy. The quadcopter, it flies very smoothly. I'm very pleased on its flight performance. It's easy to navigate, and I really actually do enjoy flying this. So now to activate the camera, you see it's green right now, so it means it's not recording, I believe. Let's see. Okay, this is to take a picture, and now the left one, if you hold it, it should turn red. Let's see. There we go, and that means it's recording. The air is pretty strong. If you can see the styrofoam protectors on the ground, if I get close to them, they fly away basically. It's really super easy to control. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll post future updates as in flying and video quality very soon. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.